video, I'll show you how to create your first project in Cursor AI. If you're new to Cursor, don't worry. This step-by-step guide will help you get started quickly. First, open Cursor AI and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, click *** File ***, and then choose * Open Folder ***. If you already have a project folder on your computer, select it and click * Open ***. If you're starting from scratch, create a new folder anywhere on your computer, such as on your desktop or in your Documents folder. Give the folder a meaningful name like *My First Project ***, then select it and open it in Cursor AI. Once the folder opens, you'll see it appear in the File Explorer on the left side. Right-click inside the folder and choose *New File ***. You can create files like *index, HTML**, main, py**, cap, JS*, or any other file depending on the programming language you're using. If you're building a project with Git, you can also initialize a Git repository directly from the terminal. Open the integrated terminal in Cursor AI and run the appropriate Git command to start version control for your project. Now save your files and begin writing code. As you type, Cursor AI will provide intelligent code suggestions, auto-completions, and AI-powered assistance. You can also open the AI chat and ask it to generate code, explain functions, or help solve programming problems related to your project. Remember to save your work regularly. If you're using GitHub, you can later connect your project and push your code to an online repository for backup and collaboration. That's it. You have successfully created your first project in Cursor AI. In the next video, I'll show you how to use Cursor AI for beginners and explain the most useful features you should know.